to my channel, and this is our week 3 in grade 10 mathematics. So the week 3 is entitled Geometric Sequence. So by the way, I am Ronald C. Fernandez, your math teacher. So before we'll proceed to our discussion, you have to prepare the following: your module, your notebook, your ball pen, and of course yourself. So for our learning competencies for this week, the learners will be able to first is illustrate geometric sequence, and second, differentiate geometric sequence from arithmetic sequence. So this is another type of sequence, no, the geometric sequence. Try this. Raising ducks is a good source of additional income, especially when the area is near the lowland rice field. Petpit's place is a perfect area for duck raising. When Petpit starts raising his ducks, he makes a record of the production of eggs as his ducks starts laying eggs. He made a tally of the number of eggs his ducks laid each day. So the table shows her tally. The table. So you have two columns. Our first column is the day 1 up to day 5. Then the second column, the number of eggs per day. So what can you say about the numbers? Is there anything in particular you have noticed? Someone inyong na-observe about sa number of eggs? Okay, from 4, nahimo siyang 8, nahimo siyang 16, nahimo siyang 32, nahimo siyang 64. Okay, very good, no? Nag-double siya every day. So, from 4, nahimo siyang 8, no? From 4, you have to multiply it by 2, nahimo siyang 8. From 8, you have to multiply it by 2, nahimo siyang 16. From 16, you have to multiply it by 2, nahimo siyang 32. Then, from 32 times 2, nahimo siyang 64 eggs sa day 5. So later, no, we will define, no, we will describe mathematically unsay tawag ani nga pattern. Okay? So that sequence is called a geometric sequence. So let's define geometric sequence. So a geometric sequence is a progression in which each term is obtained by multiplying the preceding term by a fixed constant called the common ratio. Again, ang geometric sequence is obtained by multiplying. No, again, it's obtained by multiplying. No, again, multiplying ha, timan-an, multiplying. Ang arithmetic sequence is by adding. Okay? So, let's go back sa atong number of eggs kaganina, no? From 4, from day 1, nahimo pagka day 2, nahimo siyang 8. Sa day 3, nahimo siyang 16, then 32, and 64. Okay. Ato siyang nag-double siya, no? You have to multiply it by 2. Nahimo siyang nahimong 8. From 8, nahimo siyang 16. You have to multiply it by 2, then times 2, and times 2. Okay? So, our fixed constant here is 2, no? Nagbalik-balik man siya. Okay, meaning fixed, di siya mag-change. So, therefore, our R here is 2. Okay, this is our R. So, unsa man pagkuha nato sa R? So, R is just the second term or A sub 2 over A sub 1. Again, this is A sub 1, no? Atong discussion last week, no? Then this is A sub 2 up to A sub 5, A sub 3, A sub 4, and A sub 5. So our A sub 2 is 8, no? 8 over 4. So what is 8 over 4? That is 2. Okay, let's check, no, kung pareha ba sila R tanan, no? Pwede pod nga ang A sub 3 ato siyang i-divide sa iyahang before sa no, siyang preceding nga term. Okay, that is A sub 2. So, A sub 3, that is 16 over 8 or divide 8 is just 2. So, the same na sila tanan. Okay, depends 64 divide 32. So, that is geometric sequence. Okay, Again, ang geometric sequence is multiplying the preceding term by a fixed constant, now called the common ratio. Ang arithmetic sequence is obtained by adding, no, the preceding term by a fixed constant called, very good, no, the common difference. Okay? Tell whether the following sequences are geometric or not. No, let's check. No, let's check. You can pause this video, no, if you want to answer. Okay, so let's answer letter A. So the sequence, okay, the sequence, now you have 2, -6, 18, and -54, and so on. Okay, let's check now. Letter A. Okay, letter A. Okay, sorry. Okay, letter A is 2, -6, 18, and -54. Okay, dapat pagkuha na to sa ihang ratio, parehas sila tanan. No, again, this is A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub 3, and A sub 4. Okay, let's check, no? Ang R na to sa una is A sub 2 over A sub 1. A sub 2 is -6 over A sub 1 is 2. What is -6 over 2? Okay, very good. That is -3. How about kanina sad? Another na sad nga R, no? R is A sub 3 na sad. Yung preceding na is A sub 2. Okay, that is 18 over -6. Pila man? Of course, that is -3. Kanina sa duha. R na sad. That is A sub 4 divide 18. So, pila man? That is, oh sorry, A sub 3. This is A sub 3, no? Then A sub 4 is -54 over 18. Okay, that is -3. So, as you can see, no, fix siya. Di wa siya nag-change. So, therefore, this is, okay, this is a geometric sequence. Okay? So, letter A is a geometric sequence. Okay? So, let's check letter B. For letter B, our sequence kay 4, 20, 80, 400, okay, and so on. Let's check. So this is A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub 3, and A sub 4. So that is A sub 2, no, kaniduha, that is 20 over 4. No, A sub 2 divide A sub 1. Pila? Okay, that is 5. How about second? 80 divide 20. What is 80 divide 20? That is 4. Right? How about the third one there? 400. Okay, 400 over 80. Okay, that is 5. Okay. Let's tanaw na to, no? 5, 4, 5. Okay. So therefore, since there is no common ratio. Okay, dili sila common kay tanaw 5, nimo siyang 4, nimo 5. It should be fixed, dili siya pwede mag-change. So therefore, this is not a geometric sequence. Okay? Let's proceed to letter C. Letter C is 1, 6, 36, and 216. Okay, let's try. R is a second term, divide first term. What is 6 divide 1 is 6. Okay, R next, 36 divide 6. What is 36 divide 6? Okay, very good. That is 6. Next, 216 divide 6. Sorry, divide 36 is 6. Okay, no? As you can see, our ratio or our common ratio is 6. So therefore, letter C is a geometric sequence. Okay, very good, no? Very good. So, I hope, no, you learn what's the difference, no? What's the definition of geometric sequence? Okay, so what I have learned. So, a geometric sequence or a geometric progression is a sequence in which each term after the first is obtained by multiplying the preceding term by a non-zero constant called common ratio or common ratio R. The terms of an arithmetic sequence, on the other hand, is obtained by adding the preceding term by a fixed constant called the common difference or the letter D. No, again, can you take note the difference between the two sequences? Ang geometric sequence is multiplying. Ang arithmetic is adding. Okay, and the constant in geometric sequence is called common ratio, and the constant uh, term or the constant fixed constant in the geometric sequence, the common ratio in the arithmetic sequence is the common difference. Okay? Apply the definitions of our sequences. Okay, so activity 4, analyze and complete the table below. So we have 3 columns, no? The first column is sequence, then arithmetic and geometric, then common ratio and common difference. So let's answer first number 1. So we'll just answer, so I'll be the one to answer 1 and 2, then the rest I will let you answer sa inyong kaugalingon. Okay? So for number 1, 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay, so you have to study the pattern, unsay ang pattern. Okay, very good. That is adding plus 4, no? Plus 4, plus 4. So therefore, nag-add man. So this is an arithmetic sequence. So what is our D? Our D here is, very good, 4. How about number 2? Okay, mamaning eggs kanina, no? Of course, this is geometric sequence. Okay, this is geometric sequence. Our R here is 2. Very good. How about number 5? I'm sorry, number 3. Sorry. Number 3 is 5, negative 5, 5, negative 5, and so on and so on. Okay, very good. This is geometric sequence. What is our R? Our R here is, very good, negative 1, no? If you multiply it by 5 times negative 1, negative 5 times negative 1 is positive 5. Okay, so I will let you pause this video, then try to answer numbers 4 to 10. Okay, go. Okay, now let's now answer. For number 4, that is arithmetic sequence. Okay, and then our difference is 6. Then number 5, that is geometric sequence. Then our R is 3. Number 6, that is arithmetic sequence. This is our D here is 2D. Okay, number 7, this arithmetic sequence also. Our D here is K plus 1. Number 8, that this is geometric sequence. Our R here is 1/3. Okay, how about number 9? Okay, very good. This is not AS nor GSY because this is you multiply it by 0, no? 0, 0 siya. Uh, go back to the definition of geometric sequence, no? Ang geometric sequence, this should be a non-zero constant, no? Di dapat dili ang R is dili siya 0. Okay, the number 10, this is arithmetic sequence, and our D here is 10. Okay, so if you got it correctly, perfect, very good. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so for your activity, please answer what I can do. Letter A, numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 on page 9, and assessment on page 10. Okay, we are done with our module 3 or the week 3. See you in module 4. Bye.